In this video, I am going to show you how to use Photon on mobile effectively. First, download the Photon app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. After installing the app, open it and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Next, set up your project by selecting a template or starting from scratch, allowing you to configure your application settings. Then, navigate to the settings within the app to connect to a Photon server, choosing between Photon's cloud servers or setting up a local server based on your needs. Implement Photon features by using the app's tools to add multiplayer functionalities, such as player connections, room creation, and matchmaking. Once you've integrated these features, test your application by inviting friends or using test accounts to ensure everything works smoothly. Finally, prepare your app for deployment on app stores so other users can download and enjoy it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.